Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to follow this click sheet on how to create an absent page for students in Canvas. And the way that looks in a Canvas course is on our home page. We would create an image for students to click on if they've missed class. That'll open up a page with a calendar where you can hyperlink those dates with a learning menu or learning activity that they need to complete as a makeup assignment. To create that, we're going to start on our home page and we're going to click on Edit. Once we're here, we're going to go in our Rich Content Editor box, our RCE, and we're going to give it a title. We're going to give this section a title. I just called mine, Oops, I Missed Class. Click on the image below. Feel free to title yours what you would like. And then I found an image that I embedded into the RCE. I went here to this image icon and I uploaded my image from my computer. Once you have your image that you would like to hyperlink, we're going to scroll to the bottom and we're going to click Save. At the top of our page, we're going to click View All Pages. And we're going to add a new page. I'm going to give our new page a title. I'm going to stretch down my RCE with these buttons down here on the side. And I'm going to add my image that matches my homepage image so that families and students know that they've reached the right place. I hit Submit. Once you select the image, you can resize it if you would like, and you can also centralize your image. Underneath that, I added a calendar. It's up to you on how you want to organize this section. Some teachers have been doing it by week, but I went here to the table and I just added a 5x10 table. Once I've created my table, I selected my top row by just dragging across, and I merged these sections by clicking on the cell properties, and I said merge cells, and then I titled this top part August, and I could centralize my title, and you can change the font here and bold it however you'd like. And then I went through and I labeled each of these cells days of the week. You can centralize that by selecting all of your cells, going to this option. Then I went through and I put in the dates. So for example, this would be a 3, 4, and then I went through for each of these. You can do the same here. Select all of the cells and make that central. And you can bold and change the font to make it easier for families and students to see. Once you have all of your dates in here, we're going to click Save at the bottom. We are then going to return to View All Pages, and we're going to grab the link to that page. So wherever your page is, what you would have titled it, we're going to right click and say Copy Link Address. Once you copy that, you're going to locate your front page, which is labeled for you so it's easy to find, and click on your front page. Once you're here, we're going to click Edit, expand our RCE, scroll down to the bottom where we embedded that image. I'm going to remove this link so you'll see what it looks like. Once you have that image selected, you'll know with that blue box. And then here on your tools, we're going to select links. We're going to say external link. We're going to right click and paste our link and click Done. At the bottom, we're going to click Save. You can test this by scrolling down and clicking on your image, and it'll take you to your Oops, I Missed Class page you just created. So now that you have your Oops, I Missed Class page, we can now start linking missing assignments or learning modules in our calendar for families and students to access. And the way we can do that is by looking at our home page. And let's say this is from last week. It has all of last week's links in here. I have not updated for this week. What I can do is copy the link from last week because all of the activities are embedded there. And when I go to my page here that I created, the Oops page, I can edit expand my RCE. And let's say that was for last Monday the 10th. I would highlight that date, and here on this, my options up here, I would say external links because I have it handy, and I'm going to paste it here. You can do right click and paste, click done. And it lets you know it's hyperlinked. It gives it that blue color. If you want it to stand out a little bit more to let families know that there's a link there, you can highlight it and change the color, coming up here and selecting a color that's going to be a little more vibrant for families to see. Once you've hyperlinked it, we're going to click Save. And you can test it by clicking on that link to make sure it takes them to the correct learning menu or assignment. And that's how you create an absent page in Canvas. Again, all of the steps are in this click sheet that we will be sharing, and I'll put a bit.ly at the end of this video for you to copy and use for your convenience. I'll also put it in the comment section of this YouTube video. Thanks for watching.